So let me create running notes for today. Online team, can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? Running notes number 69. And today we are going to short message. Ma'am, you are ready? Are you ready? Yeah, hold on. Then one of our teammate take one kind of some small seminar actually. Maths part 1. You have that file actually? Okay, so I can take the session after. Good. Let me update to everybody. 19. And current topic is maths. And previous one is NumPy. Upcoming topic is a feature engineering. I will create even these running notes. Point number 1. One of learner offline team, so one of student offline actually, who is from offline. Recently I told, right, if anyone, if anything, if for anyone, if it is possible, take one kind of some seminar actually, that would be really great. So even I wanted to know how you guys are learning actually, right? So it might be inspiration to others as well. Your name, ma'am? Okay, so let me hand over the session. You can just try to take, so what is the topic? Yeah, topic name is list to data structure. List to data structures, and we'll see how the session goes actually. I request you no comments and no other discussion actually. Why? Because we have to encourage. Can I get a response from you? So if if I hear any wrong comments or wrong conversation, it will be very serious action actually. I'm very serious. There are few things actually, right? If possible, try to encourage. Otherwise, please be silent actually. Thank you. And it's okay. Let's hand over. You can take, yeah, it's okay. Maybe 30 minutes or how long time we'll see. We'll take actually. Let's start. And now today my role is what exactly, no? Student actually. Fine. Student. I like this one actually. In Amirpet, I used to conduct these sessions weekly once at least. Now I'm starting at KBHP also. That really great. Come on. You can just try to. I will guide you. Yeah, fine then. You have a pen drive? Yeah, good. You can let me just try to copy that. Thank you. First of all, I really appreciate you. Let's copy your file. Okay. Yeah. Let's copy. Good. Be cool. It is very easy. This one, I guess. What is the file? This one. Okay. Control C. Can I copy in desktop? Okay. Here I copied actually. We are good to go. Now you can use. I can close this. Okay. Until you start, I will be here only. Okay. Once you started, I will take a seat actually. Okay. You can use this mic set as well. Let's open this. Online team, are you ready? Hope you understand. So it would be really good to know how the things are going actually. Either you can use this snap. I hope you know, I guess. You can click on this one to get the top one. Okay, good. We're good. Can use this. Yeah. Sir, how? It is loose. Left side actually. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shruti. I'm going to take a topic. Going to take a seminar on data types topic. A data type. Main topic is list data structure. I will cover basics on data types and data structures. Okay. Data type. A data type. Why we use data type? To check which type of data is present in a variable. We use data type. Okay. To know which type of data is present in variable, we use type function. Type is a predefined function in Python. Okay, you can see here in this example, name is a variable which holding the Ganesh string value. Okay, if we want to check the which type of data is present in the name variable, we using type function to check which type of data is present in that. Okay. There are two types of data types, built-in data types and user-defined data types. What is meant by built-in data types? The data types which are already present in the Python, they are called built-in data types. Okay, there are mainly four types: numeric data types, boolean, none, and sequence. In numeric, there are mainly three types: int, float, complex. Okay, you understood? Okay. In Boolean is used to represent Boolean value like true and false. Huh? None is used to represent a variable or object which contain nothing. Like a is a variable which does not hold any value. Then we are assigning none to a variable. Means it representing that a does not contain anything. Okay. Sequence is also called data structure. Okay. There are five types: string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, and range. There are five types. In that, after that data structure, why should we learn about data structures? The common requirement in any real-time project is like creating, updating, retrieving, and deleting elements. In projects, we are creating any elements, then we are updating that, we are deleting something in that we are not required, means which is not required in the project we are deleting, means required we are keeping, not which is not required we are deleting. And how we want to access the elements of that variable or object we are accessing. Okay. They are called operations. Like here, so shown few more real times operations are below. Sorting, we are using in the list for sorting the alphanumeric values. For I will tell in later. There is a method is there now. Sort method I will tell there. Okay. Searching, retrieving, deleting, processing, and values. These are operations we will see in project. That's why we are using data structure. Okay. Python data structure. If Python data structure means if we want to store multiple values in a one variable, then we go for data structure. Okay. Sequence of elements. This is also called a data structure. A sequence is a data type that can contains a group of elements. Sequence contains group of elements. Like list is a sequence. List is a type of sequence. It contains a sequence group of elements, right? That may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. The purpose of any sequence is to store and process a group of elements. The purpose of sequence is we are using to store the values and we are processing like a list containing integer values. Then we want only even numbers. Then we are, by using conditional values, we are only taking even numbers. That is called processing like. Okay. You understood? My English is not that much okay. Okay. The purpose of, I told now only, right? In Python, string, list, tuple, set, and dictionaries are very important sequence data types. today I am going to cover list data structure. Okay. Before that, we know that data type and data structure. What is the difference between data type and data structure? We are using data type to know which type of data is present in the variable. For that, we are using data type. What is the use of data structure means? Data structure is a way of organizing, managing, and storing the data efficiently, right? Examples of data types: int, float, character, string. And example of data structures: string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, and range. Okay. My main topic came now, list data structure. There are mainly 7 steps to remember: create, store, size, insertion order, duplicate, mutable, index. Okay. In that, let we see one by one. Okay. Create. We can create a list by using square bracket and list predefined function. Okay. We can create the list by using square bracket and list predefined function. We can store after creation. What we do, we are storing the values. List can store homogeneous data type or homogeneous type of elements or heterogeneous type of elements. Means homogeneous means only int type of data. A list, if list containing only int type of data, that is called homogeneous data type. Okay. A list containing homogeneous data type means that is homogeneous. Okay. A list can store different, if list storing different type of values, that is called heterogeneous data type. Like string, int, float, it is storing 3 types of data type, that is called heterogeneous type of data. Okay. Size, a list size will be increased dynamically. I will tell later why. Okay. Insertion order is fixed, means in which sequence we are giving the input, in output also giving the same sequence. Okay. In this example, we are giving 10, 20 and 30 in sequence. In output also it is giving the same order. That is called insertion order is fixed, means same. Duplicates are allowed in list data types. Like here, Shivu, Pallavi, Khushi, Shivu. Shivu is repeated 2 times. Then also it is storing. Means duplicates are allowed. Okay. Mutable. List is mutable in nature. Once we created a list object, then we can change or modify the elements in the existing list object. We can insert the value inside the list by using append and insertion. We can remove the elements using by remove method. So that's why list is mutable in nature. Okay. Index. We can access the element from list by using index, slicing and for loop. Index by let's see by using index. Index represents accessing the elements by their position number in the list. By element position, we are accessing that element. Index starts from 0. Index supports both positive and negative indexing. Positive means it starts from 0. Negative index means it starts from 1. Starting in negative index starts always from ending. Okay. In negative index, first index is -1. Slice operators. Slicing represents extracting a piece of the list from already created list. If we have a list, like in this class, so many students are there. If we want only 10 to 15 students, then we are selecting, means slicing, only 10 to 15 students names. Okay, that is like slicing. In this also, a list contains many values, but we want some required only, like part of the list, like a sub list. That is called slicing. Start, stop and step values are there. In start, which we are given, like in this example, see, I want to 0 to 2 index values. In this, second index is excluded. Only 0th and 1th values are be executed. Okay, you understood? See here, Raj and Ravi Kumar, 0, 1, 2, but 2 is Kumar. It is excluded. Only 0, 1 index value will be executed. Loop. We can access the elements of the list by using loop. Okay, here I took only 2 values. We can access many values also. If list contains many values, if we want to access those values line by line, we can use looping statement for loop. By using for loop, we can access those elements. Okay. Here. Note, if we are trying to access beyond the range of the list index, means we are trying, only there are 5th index values are available. We are trying to access 6th index also. Then it will give which error? Index error. It will give index error. Note, by using the length predefined function, we can find the length of the list. By using length predefined function, we can find the length of list. This function returns the number of elements present in the list. Here, how many elements are present? 4 elements are present. If we are using length function, it will give output 4 because it will returning number of elements present in the list. There are 4 elements. That's why it give 4 as a length of the list. List methods. Okay. List methods. List is a predefined class in the Python. Sir already told this. In that class contains methods. List is predefined class in the Python. Class contain methods. We can check list class methods by using dir predefined function. If you want to check the how many methods present in the list class, we can check by using dir function. Let me show. It will give how many methods and it will give how many methods are present in this. See, append method, clear, copy, count, index, insertion. These are methods are present in this. Okay. You understood? If you want to check how many methods are present in the any class, not only list, if you want to check in string class, tuple class, dictionary class, then we can check using dir. It is dir is predefined function. Okay. Using the arrow function, we can check how many methods are present in the class. So internally, list can contains 2 types of methods. Here we can see. Here underscore methods are also present. Without underscore methods are also present. They if we want with underscore symbols methods and without underscore symbol methods. Okay, we are using only without underscore symbol methods. If we want to access methods and variables of the class, we have to create an object of the class. If class contain methods, means how we can access those methods by using object only. To access those methods, we have to create the object of the class. Then only data will be stored for the data members of the class. Data members means like variables, methods. And when we creating the object, then only their value stored in that object. Okay. We can access those methods by using object name. Note here, once if we creating list object means internally object is creating for the list class. There is no need to create or externally explicitly object. Okay, internally it will already creating. Import important point. As per object oriented principle, if we want to access instance methods, then we should access by using object name. Before I said that. So all list methods we can access by using list object because it is list class. If we want to access list methods, then we have to access by using list object. Okay, there are mainly 6 methods: count method, append method, insert method, remove method, reverse method, and sort method. Let's see one by one. Okay, count method. Count is a predefined method in class. We should access this method by using list object. For all the methods, these 2 points are common. Okay, only important is third one. Like those are also important, but in every method these 2 points are common. This method returns the number of occurrence of specific values in the list. Means here see, we are using 5, means count of 5. Here how many times 5 is present? 3 times. Then it will returning occurrence of the specific value. 5 present 3 times. That's why it returning 3. And 2 present only 1 time. That's why it returning only 1. Okay. Next, append method. If we want to append this predefined method in a list class, we should access this method by using list class. This method adds object or elements to the existing list object. Existing list object means it not creating another object to add any values, because it is mutable in nature. Not like string, immutable in nature. It is mutable in nature. That's why it is adding the elements in existing list only. This methods will add the object to the list at the end of the list. This method will add the element what we want to add at the end of the list. Here see, I am appending Naresh and Veeru. That will adding at the end of the list, Naresh and Veeru. Here we are directly calling the methods, because backend these methods not contain append method not containing return value. That's why we are calling directly. Yesterday only sir told that if we are calling directly, then in backend return is not present. That's why if we are assigning to a variable, then it will return none type, none value. So we are calling directly. Okay. Insert method. Insert it is also add the value to list. There is a difference between append and insert. Append add at the end of the list, but insert at specific position. Okay. At specific position it will add the element. Here 20 to 50 element 10 to 50 elements are present. I want to add 76 at 0th index. First it takes index value, and it is value. What value we want to add, we will give in second position, and in which index we want to add, we will give here. Okay. After that we will printing the A. See here, before 10, 20 and 50. Here 76 added in 0th position. Okay. In append method default it is adding at the end of the list, but in insert at specific position. Remove method. Remove is a predefined method in list class. We should access this method by using list object. By using this method we can remove the value from the list. If we want to remove element from the list, we can use remove method. Okay. If duplicate values are present, then if duplicate values are present, what it will do, it first occurrence value it will remove, others are same remaining. It will not affect other. First, if which one is present, that will go. Okay. Here 10, 20, 30. We want to remove 10 value. Then by using a remove method, we are removing the 10 value. Okay. Reverse. If you want, these are two common points, so that's why I'm not repeating. Reverse is a predefined method in list class. We should access this method by using list object. By using this method, we can reverse the value in list. If we want to in reverse order, it is 10 to 40, but we want 40 to 10. Then we use reverse method. Okay. Sort method. Sort is predefined method in list class. We should access this method by using list object. By default, insertion order is fixed. Before using sort method, insertion order is fixed. By using this method, we can sort values in the list. For numeric types, it will sort in ascending order, like 1 to 10, 11 to 12. Means if there is 11 to 20 values means 11 to 20. Okay. Randomly values means ascending order, small to big. For string, the order is alphabetical order. Means in school time, our teacher used to maintain attendance in that alphabetical order they use from A to Z, like that. Okay. Example. See example. A is it contains values numerical type. It is numerical type. It's in ascending order. It giving ascending order. It is alphabetical type. Then in alphabetical order, it is giving A to Z, like A, D, R. Okay. If a list contains mixed data types like integer and string, if list contain mixed data type and we want to sort, like in list contain int and string data type, then we want to sort, then it will give type error. How can we compare between string and int? That's why it will give type error. It will Python cannot compare different data types. That's why it will give type error. Mathematical and mathematical operators. Concatenation. If we want to add two lists, then we use concatenation. It means here adding two lists means not adding 10 and 10 plus 40 like 50. Here adding means if we want to add these value also in the first list, then we use concatenation. Here C contains both list values. Okay. Yes, sir. Repetition operator. If we want to repeat a element in the list, then we use this repetition, like asterisk, multiplication, like here we want to print 2 times 10, 20, 30. That's why if we are A into 2, it will give repeating once again. Okay. Membership operators. We can check if the element is member of the list or not by using membership operators. Okay. How our Naresh IT admin check na we are available in the Google Classroom or not. If we are available in the Google Classroom, they consider that we are the student of the data science course or not, like that. If we want to check it value is present in the list or not, then you are using in and not in operator. Okay. If the element is member of the list, then in operator returns true, otherwise false. If we are student of data science, if our email ID is present, they understood that we are student, then they will okay. Like this also, if element is present, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false if element is not present. If the element is not present in the list, then not in operator returns true. They are both are like opposite, in and not in. Not in, if not present, then it will return true. Okay. If present, then return false. Here example, 20 is present in the list, that's why it's returning true. 20 not in, it is present, that's why it's returning false. 90 in A, 90 in A, no, that's why it return false. 90 not in A. That's why not in A. Not in A. That's why not in means it is not present in the list. That's why it returning true. List comprehension, very important topic this is. List comprehension represent creating a new list from iterable objects like a list, set, tuple, dictionary and range. List comprehension takes input as a iterable. We can apply conditional logic on every item to return a new list. List comprehension code is very concise way. The result of list comprehension is new list based on the applying conditions. I will tell, sir, use concat function to concat functions take list of dictionaries, right? They used list comprehension only. You understood? That's why list comprehension is very understood. Means important. Here execution start from for loop. Then it will goes to if statement, if condition. For loop, what for loop did know? It will iterate elements from like it will from set tuple dictionary, which type of data. It will iterate the elements from that sequence and apply the condition. If condition evaluates to true, then it will print the expression, execute the expression. Okay, you understood? But obviously you will understood because Daniel sir already told his all. Example 1, values 10, 20, 30. Result, if we want to multiply those values with 3. We are iterating all the elements by using for loop, and after that we are applying multiplication. Okay, for value in values, here value 10, 20, 30. 10 into 3, 30. 20 into 3, 60. 30 into 3, 90. Okay. Okay. Example 2. In that we are also using if condition. If here only 2, we are using only 2 conditions like for loop and expression. Here 3, we are using if condition also here. I forgot to make this red. It's okay. We want to access the element which is less than or equals to 50. Here we are accessing all the elements by using for loop. After that we are applying condition. Is 10 is less than or equals to 50? Yes, true. 20, like this, it check for all the elements. After that, if condition evaluates to true, then it will execute value. Value means if 10 is less than or equals to 50, yeah, true. It will execute like 10, 20. List comprehension result is list only. Okay. My seminar is completed.
Very nice actually. Let me talk 2 minutes. Good online team. Yeah, let me kindly please, I need your comments actually. Why? Because I'm not asking about my presentation. Good, you're doing great. Siddiq sir, thank you. Next one will be Piyush sir, nice presentation. Very nice. Nageswara sir, very thank you. Thank you for your compliment actually. Sir, I have a query to say. Sir, regarding session, let me talk about the presentation actually. Yeah, let me take 2 minutes. Pretty good ma'am actually. Good. So let me tell you one thing. Team, it's not a joke actually. Coming here, standing here, delivering the session is not a joke. Do you think it is a joke? No. Guts required actually. Courage, brave required actually. I came across madam is from Karnataka. I have seen KGF movie actually. I'm sorry for saying this one. So frankly speaking, coming here, delivering session is really amazing actually. I really appreciate. One more time, big claps actually, please. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Pretty good. Ma'am, keep continue your efforts actually. And so I'm sure you are very good in teaching. You can keep continue. That literally helps actually. But don't apply trainer job at Naresh IT. You know, I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. Keep continue. And I appreciate real. Maybe yesterday only I told, I guess, right? Can somebody take a seminar? Immediately, madam responded. Now, why I have given opportunity, you know, other guys you have to be realized and you have to be understand. Madam prepared in such a way that she is able to deliver the session that I need actually. Every student be like that. Everyone can do actually. I'm sure on this one. Everyone can do. Everyone can do actually. Are you with me or not, sir? And good humor also. Madam played 2 to 3 jokes. And you know what? I observed from starting slide to till to the last slide actually. Let me tell you, Daniel Aru said, sir, I'm a very keen observation actually. As I told you, how you will take breath also I can observe actually. Slide numbers, you know, kind of some slicing. There is a print function. P letter is the capital actually. P letter is what exactly? Capital. I observed everything. I observed actually. Conclusion of the story and practice in such a way that is, sorry, that is okay. So small mistakes can be happen, but that is okay. But why I told that point means I observed everything. So from starting to till to ending actually. Very good voice. Let me tell you, your voice is very good, ma'am. So right. So maybe you have some teaching experience. Okay, good. That I really appreciate actually. Fine then. So thank you. One more time, I really appreciate actually. Other guys also. Maybe weekly once I can conduct this one. If anyone is interested, do let me know. I can give an opportunity on this one actually. Fine then. Let's move on. Can I continue today's session? Session is not done. Seminar is done actually. Good. All right. Yeah. So let me take this one and good. So you spend some time for prepare this PPT. Cool. 1 minute. Let me tell you what I was worried. You know, when you started the session, who are all joining online, they thought they will, just I thought like maybe we join in wrong session. We join in what exactly? Maybe not Daniel session. I thought they will call to admin actually. I was quite interesting. I thought to post that message over online actually. Online students may confuse. Why? Because you know they're habituated with my voice, right? Yeah, somebody. I was confused actually. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Fine. We are good to go. Thank you so much. And let me take a control. Back to the session. May God bless you, I'm sure. Everyone should reach in the same position actually. Fine then. And you can just try to open Daniel. Let's move on with the material actually. End of the session, you can meet me, madam, actually. You can just try to go to the running notes and oh, sorry. I'm having good. Go back. 5:30. Everyone should be getting inspired actually. Yeah. Let us start the cinema. Date 19 and the currently running topic is what exactly, you know? I can just try to go back to the material. This one is the first topic. Mass part 1. And upcoming topic is a mass part number 2. All right. Now let me just try to create a separate index actually, and we are good to go. The first one. This one is a running topic. And the next one is upcoming topic. What is the next one, you know? In upcoming topic is like mode, mean, median, mode, range and standard deviation. One point I will tell you, hold on. Math is very easy, don't worry. I'm here, I will help you. So let's take this. Let me short, sir. Let me short, I will explain. So the first point, let me give a small quick introduction about the maths actually. Why maths, Daniel? Okay, good. Let me give an idea. Make a note on this one. Tim, I hope you need to be understand about the ML flow. What flow actually? Talk with me. What flow? ML flow. Generally from the client we'll get a data. We'll get a the data we just need to convert into data frame. After a data frame, we need to apply feature engineering operation. What operation? Then after that we'll get array. After that we'll get what exactly? Array. Then after that we'll get what exactly? Machine learning algorithm. What algorithm? Machine learning algorithm. Right. So the main motto for machine learning algorithm is doing prediction. Doing what exactly? Talk with me. Prediction. So simple. Let me take one small scenario. Daniel, what do you mean by prediction? Prediction in the sense, let us take Amazon. Amazon having last, I can say 10 months data. What data? 10 months data. Last 10 months data actually. Good. Then Amazon is planning to doing prediction. It is planning to doing prediction actually. That prediction should be next month how many sales? Next month what exactly, sir? How many sales in the next month? Talk with me. How many sales in next month actually? They already done prediction. They already done what exactly? Prediction. That prediction who will do, you know? Pandas will not do the prediction. Python will not do the prediction. Feature engineering will not do the prediction. Array will not do the prediction. Who will do? Machine learning. To do the prediction, backend it will use math actually. Backend it will use what exactly, sir? That's what you need to be understand. That's why maths required actually. That too, you no need to do PhD actually. I will tell you what level of math is required. Basic level is required. What is required the math I'm going to cover actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah. Now the point will be machine learning algorithm is doing prediction. To do that prediction, ML algorithm backend it will use maths topic. What topic, madam? Maths topic. That's why we need to understand about the math actually. Not heavy loaded, little math. If you want, let me show you one thing. I have one small question. Who is doing prediction? Machine learning. Who is the backend? Let me show you. Daniel, are you serious? Let me show you, sir. Hold on. Online team, I hope my voice is clear. Good, I feel seriously very good actually. There is my system stuck actually. Now hold on. Open Google. Now data science. MEMS actually. I used to see MEMS. This one. Data science memo. Come on, please. $50 mems. If you wait for some time, I will. Yeah, we are in right place. Oh, don't you know? Yes, boss. Siddiq sir, from our batch only. Yes, sir. Yes, actually. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, sir. She's our, so she's learning from Naresh IT and she's from our batch actually. She's from our batch. Good, good. Why? Because, that's called daily practice helps you. The way when she is delivering the topic, awesome actually. Maybe you can find out some little fear, but that fear it will be gone if she done 10 times practice actually. Ultimately, delivery matters, sir. What matters? That literally give a, one day it helps you. Start practicing that. It will be helpful for you actually. Okay, good, good. what I'm talking. Go back. Let me show you. Prediction will be done by machine learning. Backend is a, let me show you that image actually. I used to watch some memos in my free time. There are some memos, let me show you. Not this one. Did I show this one previously? No, right? Yeah, good. First one, let me explain. I hope you know this guy actually. Yeah, right? Yeah, good. What happened, you know, he's the data scientist. He's working in the project and these are all clients actually. Client have given the data. Client told clean the data. He deleted the data. Did you understand? I mean to say, you know, yeah, this may or may not be helpful. Maybe where is that meme explanation? That's what, that's the main motto. The next one, not even this one. Do you think this is dog actually? Cup of cake, sir. This one is a dog actually. Here is the story. Here is the story. A data scientist, you know, he is using machine learning to do the prediction. Now machine learning backend is, let me see who you really are actually. So data scientist wanted to know, hey, I just wanted to know who are you exactly. If you open the mask, who is the backend, sir? Statistics actually. That's what you need to be understand. Conclusion of the story, we are all using ML algorithm. We are all using ML algorithm to do the prediction. If you really open ML algorithm code actually, get ready, the total thing is the math actually. That's the beauty. What they done, you know, they made it like an abstraction layer. What layer, sir? The beauty with us is you just need to understand how to call a method. That's it actually. If you want, let me give more. First of all, are you clear about this one? Yeah, if you want, I can just try to save this one. You know, math behind ML. Remember me, end of this session, I will tell you what I thought. Yeah, good. What I wanted to explain, you know, I have one small question, sir. Get ready. Just now, even we heard about the list data structure, right? Let us take a list actually. Good. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, what exactly? 40. I wanted to do the sum. Then just you need to do one thing. You can call one function. Function name is a sum. What happened actually? Now, if you don't know this sum function, manually 10 plus, 20 plus, 30 plus, 40 formula you need to apply. There is some math calculation you need to do. Instead of doing the math calculation, you need to understand calling the function. Calling, that's what you need to be understand. Conclusion of the story, if you open some function source code actually, backend math is available. What is available? Now being a data scientist, instead of focusing on math actually, you need to be understand for that formula, what is a function? For that formula, what is that function? That's what you need to be understand actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, that's what you need to be understand. See, if you want, let me execute this example. Oh, yo, control C, py. Let me take this sum of values. Yeah, see, we are getting 100. We are getting, yeah, math formulas, sir, backend. Minimum value. What is the minimum value? 10. Maximum value. What is the maximum value? Perfect. You understand, I guess, actually. Right, let's move on. Let us, you know, you don't need to be, master in math actually. Just like, you know, knowing fundamentals, it will be helpful for you. By considering that, I am taking the control. Let me just try to open the material. You are going to start the session. Yeah, fine. I have divided like a few parts actually. In part number 1, what are the things you are going to learn? You know, first one will be population. The next one, sample. The next one, types of variables. Talk with me. Population, sample, types of variable. 2 interview questions from the first material actually. Madam, there are 2 interview questions. So please be focused actually. It will be helpful for you. Make a note on this one. The first definition you should understand, statistics. What is the first one? This is quite interesting actually. Daniel, what do you mean by statistics? What do you mean by statistics? You know, statistics is the branch of math. Okay. Okay. It is a branch of math actually. One of the topic, linear algebra, statistics. These are all things actually. It is dealing with what it is dealing, you know, the first one will be data collection. What is the first one? It's quite interesting. By using pandas also we can do data collection. Am I right? We can collect the data, we can load the data. How to load the data? Read underscore CSV. Okay. What is the next one, sir? Oh, by using statistics also we can do what exactly? Data analysis. Next one, interpretation. Like, you can do prediction actually. Data presentation. You can do data visualization. And the next one will be organizing the numerical data. Organizing what exactly? Now let me tell you one small point. One small point. What is that point, Sir, let me tell you. Before 20 to 30 years also, before 50 years, I'm talking about the before 50 years actually. Yes, data science is existing. Data science is what exactly, sir? Data science is existing. I mean to say, if somebody have given the data, by using the data, what we can do actually, the first one will be data collection we can do. Okay, data collection we can do. The second one will be data analysis. Can somebody help me? The next one will be, you forget, even me forget. Interpretation you can do. What is the next one? Interpretation we can do. The next one, visualization we can do. The next one, organizing the data. What exactly, sir? Organizing the data. Now let me tell you, these are all a math person he can do. Now conclusion of the story, a math person who done PhD. Who done what exactly, sir? Who done PhD actually? He can do these are all things actually. PhD. Olden days also data science is available. But let me tell you, imagine there is a person, Daniel, he done, I'm not done actually. He done math PhD. He done what exactly, sir? Math PhD. His companies are recruiting. This person name is called as a statistician. What exactly? Statistician actually. Statistician. But nowadays, instead of math, Python came actually. Python is using backend abstraction will be all our math formulas. In olden days also data science is available. In olden days, data scientist is called as a statistician. And nowadays, the one who is playing with the data and that person name is called as what exactly, sir? Data scientist. That's what you need to get a clear picture. I will give you one nice example. Did you understand? Conclusion of the story. By using pandas, what are all things we can do? By using a statistician also he can do. But can I tell you one small point? Sir, he need to apply a lot of math formulas actually. Simple, you will get a headache actually. You will get what exactly? I'm sorry for saying. A math person, he can always work with the formula. He will always work with what exactly? Formula actually. Can I tell one real example? A statistician, he can do interpretation. He can do prediction. He can do prediction actually. Let me tell you one live example. Do you know about one small scenario? That is not small. That is a very big one actually. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, you know about this one? Hiroshima, Nagasaki actually. And yeah, I hope you know about this situation. Sir, what happened, yeah, exactly. There was a atom bomb. What exactly, sir? Am I right? Atom bomb. They have released that material actually. They have released what exactly? That material. And I hope, it was kind of some disaster actually. What exactly, sir? Disaster. Still now, that is impacting actually. Here is the story. Before they are planning to release that atom bomb material over that specific position, the one who is planning, he conducted one meeting actually. He conducted one meeting and he invited all statisticians. He invited all math persons actually. Then his question will be, what is the question, And that guy is explaining. Hey, what we are doing, So we are planning, think like, this one is a location. This one is the total location actually. So over here, we are planning exactly kind of some atom bomb actually. Now I just wanted to know, what is the radius? How much it can impact actually? Did you understand? So he's asking a question. I just wanted to know, this one is a location. This one is a radius actually. If I release exactly, the bomb location will be at center. I just wanted to know how much radius it can impact actually. Yes, the meeting is over. After 2 days back, those guys came actually. They opened the chart. Sir, how they explained, if you release the bomb exactly in specific location, it can impact this much radius. 99% it was matched actually. 99% it was what exactly? They have released exactly in the same location. Exactly how math guys told, it will impact like this actually. Exactly, it was impacted. Conclusion of the story, in olden days also, they used to apply math to do the prediction. Yeah, that is called as prediction. That is called as what exactly? Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah. In olden days also, people used to do prediction, but only one person actually. Who is that guy? Do you think Daniel actually? Statistician. Who is that? Statistician. Yeah, yeah. Oh, like a fish head, right? Yeah, yeah. Good. Online team, are you following, sir? Hmm. We are good to go. Let's move on. Yeah. Statistics. Only in math material you can find out a lot of, so pictures and figures, kind of some visualization. Statistics means simple measure and analyze. Measure and analyze. Measure and analyze. Analyze the data. That's okay. Cool. Oh, one point, small, hold on. Madam, English, communication is not a barrier. If you are having the subject actually, madam told one point, I'm not good in English. No, no, no. She is very good in English. First of all, if you are having the subject actually, communication, first of all, I'm not that much good in communication. I'm from Telugu medium, Pakka Telugu actually. I'm from Telugu medium. Though I joined in industry, how they are talking each other in a style manner, I learned the same thing actually. That helps for me. Slowly by slowly, it will be helpful for you. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. Back to the session. I'm sorry. So fine then, let's move on. Sir, whenever you're talking about the earth actually, so I hope this is kind of some air. We do have a different people and we do have a different types of the data actually. What is that one? Variability. What do you mean by that? Sir, different height of the people. Different height actually. So, see, this one is a data heights. 190 centimeters. This picture is exactly like me only. Online team, like a bubble actually, right? And this one is 155. This one is 160. So and so person 50. That is okay. This one is what exactly, sir? Weight, like me only, right? So this is the weight. These are all. Hair color, black, brown. No hair. I'm sorry. Yeah, good. Next one. Food preferences. People are having different food preferences actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let's move on. Now, what we can do is, being a data scientist, you can collect this data, then you can analyze the data, you can do interpretation, you can do data visualization, you can organize the data. Many things we can do actually. Yeah, let's move on. Let's move on. There are two types of statistics, sir. Madam, there are two types actually. There are two types. The first one is called as a inferential. What is the first one? Important. First interview question actually. During interview they will ask. First one will be inferential statistics. The second one is called as a descriptive statistics. What is the second one? Descriptive statistics. Are Daniel, what do you mean by inferential? Yeah, I will tell you, sir. Madam, listen carefully. What do you mean by inferential? Inferential means, read the definition first actually. I will come to this diagram later. Read the definition. Many times, not in sometimes, many times, a collection of entire data set is impossible. A collection of entire data set is impossible actually, impossible. Then what we need to do? We need to collect the subset of the data. We need to collect subset of the data. After collecting the subset of the data, do small analysis. Then from the subset we can do conclusion and about the entire population actually. Then this is called as a inferential statistics. I understand you didn't understand. Let me explain one small example actually. Right? Yeah, let me explain. Sir, there is a think like one problem statement. Think like one problem statement actually. What is that problem statement, In HYD, the question will be either two-wheelers or more, two-wheelers or more, or talk with me, sir, three-wheelers. What exactly? Three-wheelers or what exactly more actual? This is the problem statement. Somebody is asking, somebody is telling, we have a $1 million project actually. What project? $1 million project. We need to answer actually. The answer will be in Hyderabad location. In Hyderabad location. Good. So especially let me talk about KBHP location. Hyderabad means what exactly, sir? Don't look at, so map actually, KBHP. In Hyderabad KBHP location, either 2-wheelers are more or what exactly 3-wheelers are more. Now first to point, what we need to do, data collection is required. Can I tell simply? 2-wheelers are more actually. Sir, you have to talk with the data. If no data you are talking, you are lying actually. Let me tell you, in a company, if you wanted to talk with the client actually, show the data and you can talk actually. You are not showing the data, you are talking. Client will not listen actually. Client will tell, stop your overaction, show me the data. Show me what exactly? Data, right? Simply I'm telling 2-wheelers are more, show me the data. Then what it done, you know? Sir, January 1st, January what exactly 1st? I'm standing at KBHP location. This is just for fun. So don't think like, you know, standing at what exactly? KBHP, bus stand actually, bus stand. Why? Very good man. You know, I guess. Have you seen actual or what? I'm sorry, to count. Yeah, to count all vehicles. Hey, sorry for getting. To count all vehicles. I like fun actually, all vehicles. Sir, cinema started. Maybe I get ready, morning 9 a.m. actually. I bring carriage also. I bring what exactly? Carriage also. I started counting, you know, on an average, you know, hey Daniel, 2-wheelers vehicles are, you know, so these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope I have taken one white paper and counting these are all things actually. At the same time, multiple tasks I need to do. Imagine in between 3-wheelers also will come actually. What it will come? 3-wheelers. 3-wheelers. Can I take is a 4-wheelers? Is it okay for you? Please. 3-wheelers means autos, right? Problem statement is very easy. Now let me take this one. Yeah, 4-wheelers. Then here also I need to count manually actually. So till now, on an average, my count will go on. Keep on, talk with me. I mean to say, can I say? I need a lunch break actually. 1 p.m. I'm feeling hungry. I'm standing and I'm counting. Exactly here also, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to what exactly, sir? 2 p.m. And even in between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. what happened, you know? No data. No counting actually. If no counting, no data actually. Then sometimes collecting whole data is impossible actually. Now read this statement, you can understand. Many times a collection of entire data set is statement number 1, you are clear I guess. Can I get a response from you? Okay, good. This is on Monday, January 1st. Sir, that day I came across on an average this one will be 50k. Not one day, highly impossible. Daniel, don't play jokes actually. I can say 3k. Vehicles, this one will be on an average 4.5k actually. 4. What exactly? 5k. Sir, one day report. One day data. What day data? One day data actually. Then like this, I keep on, you know, executing. I went into, not in bus station, sir. On an average, I have chosen another station actually. Lulu Mall. Can I take actually? Yeah, Lulu Mall actually. You know Lulu Mall? We'll go one day, sir, actually, right? Why I'm standing at Lulu Mall actually? To count all vehicles actually. All what exactly mean? Vehicles. Then even I started like this. Now here is the story. Like this, I count to 20 days, man. How many days? I feel really, oh my God, it's too difficult. Frustrated actually. Entire year I cannot collect. Now statement number 1. Entire data collection is impossible, sir. What exactly? Impossible. That is highly impossible actually. Then what we need to do? Collect subset actually. What exactly? Subset from main data. Subset from main data actually. Good. Then I'm sorry. I have collected subset, right? And take the subset of the data. Then do analysis actually. Do what exactly? Analysis. And give the conclusion. Give what exactly? Conclusion. No doubt at all, your conclusion will be valid actually. Now the final report. What final report is talking, you know? Yeah, you know, on an average I can say 2-wheelers vehicles. What exactly? 2-wheelers. Vehicles are more actually. Vehicles are what exactly? More. And the 3-wheelers vehicles are near to 2-wheelers. 4-wheelers vehicles are what exactly, you know, sir? Near to the count actually. Near to what exactly? Near to the count. I mean to say, I done, these are all count actually. What happened, you know? I came across, this one will be 1.5 L actually, 5 lakhs. And this one will be 1 point on an average 2 L actually. Do you think total data I'm giving conclusion? No. Subset of the data. What data? Yeah, people supposed to believe actually. Why? Because I'm talking with the data. I will show the report actually. Hey, how you can stay. Sir, I was standing in so-and-so location. I have taken report actually. I have conducted video. I have taken record also like this actually. Now what we need to understand is, sometimes entire data collection is impossible. Then collect subset of the data. Once you collect the subset of the data, do the analysis. Now you can talk like total data. You can talk like what exactly? That's the beauty with the subset of the data. Example number 1. Let me enter into example number 2. Let me enter into example number 2. Good. This one is example number 1. Sir, what I'm talking, any idea? I'm talking about inferential, ayo chappan sir. Inferential statistics. I'm talking about this one. Example number 1, I'm pretty sure you understand. Example number 2. Let me take. This is quite interesting. This one is a live scenario, which was happening even in my career actual. What is that live scenario, you know? Sir, my uncle having my wife's father around 10 acres actual. I mean, having actual, right? And he used to apply fish farming. What exactly, sir? Fish farming actual. I hope you might aware, right? The location is a Machilipatnam. What is the location? Machilipatnam location. Bandar actually. Good. So so during first of all, we went to uncle home actually. We went to uncle home. Suddenly he got a call. He got a call from worker actually. From what exactly mean? Worker. Now what he said, fishes are dying. Fishes are what exactly? Dying actually. Can somebody tell me what is the total land? 10 acres. Then total, that worker told, so, he called to my uncle and he is telling, sir, I don't know what happened. Fishes are slowly it is dying. It is affected. It is what exactly mean? Affected with some disease. Some what exactly? Disease. Let me tell you, on an average 10 acres, I can say, think like, 3 lakhs fish. Think like that. How much actually? 3 lakhs actually. Okay, 3 lakhs fish. Now suddenly, and he's starting bike, and he's starting what exactly bike. I told like, can I come? Can I what exactly come? Yeah, he told it is your property only. Yes, you can come. And you can just write what exactly come actually. Then here is the story. Sir, we went to that location and we have taken a small boat actually. We have taken small boat. This is quite interesting. Sir, from first corner, what corner? First corner, he collected some fishes. Collected what exactly? Some fishes actually. And the next one will be second corner. He collected what exactly? Another fishes actually. And like this, he collected almost 4 corners. How many corners? 4 corners. Now he is telling, yeah, really affected actually. Really what exactly mean? Affected. Now can I tell you one thing? He collected only some fishes. Now he is talking about the total fishes actually. That is called as inferential statistics. Can I get a response from you? Yeah. Sometimes my uncle, he cannot collect the whole data, whole fishes, highly impossible. He wanted to confirm either somebody said affected actually. Let me confirm. To confirmation that, enter into the scenario, start collect the data. That two different corners, not from same corner actually. Then you have to tell, hope you understand the scenario. That fishes scenario, it will be more than enough, sir. I'm having cough, sir. Back to the scenario. All right. Many times a collection of entire data is impossible. Hence the subset of data points is collected. Then do analysis actually, from the subset of the data, we can get conclusion about entire data set. This is called as a, that's it. More to the next one. What is the next one, sir? Descriptive, enough. That example, I do have other examples, not required actually. Descriptive statistics. What is the next one? Descriptive statistics. These are used to summarize the data. Sir, did you remember in a pandas, once you created a data frame, madam, we need to call a method. Method name is a describe method. What method? Exactly. Describe method will give summary about the data. What is the minimum value, maximum value? It can talk like, the statistical information. It will talk with statistical information, right? These are used to summarize the data, such as mean value, standard deviation. Yeah. While applying the statistics on the data, we can find underlying hidden relationship in between what exactly? Variable. That I can talk with you later. How many types of statistics, boss? 2 types. First one, inferential. Second one, yeah, good. So find that. What do you mean by, what is the second one? Descriptive. Descriptive means talk like, summary about the data, sir. Descriptive means summary about the data. Look at this one. Look at this image. Okay, inferential. He is collecting the data from this corner. He collected, green color and red color. Maybe from this corner, he collected some blue color actually. Like this, he collected, these are all things. A kind of some sample data he is collecting actually. Daniel, what is the next one? Descriptive. What is the next one? Descriptive. Descriptive means summary about the data. Talk with me. Summary about the data actually. We are good to go. Population. Population. Since childhood we are learning, sir. Population means total data. What is that? Total data. This point, sir, can I tell one real-time example? Real-time example. Let me tell you. Think like my company. My company is generating the data on an average 1000 petabytes actually. How much actually? 1000 petabytes. Now, loading 1000 petabytes, loading what exactly 1000 petabytes actually, not required, frankly speaking, not required. Why? Because the total data we no need to load actually. What we need to do is get sample data. What data? Talk with me. What data? Daniel, how to get? Very simple, sir. Very simple. Very simple. Let me show you. Get the sample data. You can just have to create a model. Sales one. Where is the sales one? Yeah. Let us print the data frame. What is the data set actually? Cool. Yeah. I wanted to get top 5 rows. What I need to do? Bottom 5 rows. Sir, I wanted to get sample data. There is a method. Method name is a sample. There is a method. Method name is a, let me show you. Dot sample. What exactly? Dot sample. That too, sample method, it will select the data randomly. My uncle went into the location. He selected the data randomly actually. Sample data. What data? One more point. At a time, sample method will show only one record actually. Will show only, let me show you. Only one record you will get an output actually. Okay, only one record you are getting. Let me run one more time. Previously 59. Now it entered to the 200 corner actually. Now let us run one more time. Array Daniel, I need 10 records actually. Array sir, come here and you can apply 10 actually. Then you will get a 10 sample records. How many? 10 sample records. I have a question for you. Get ready. Can I ask a question with your permission? What is a sample? Yeah, very good. What is a sample? Method actually. You should have aware. See, children, these are all randomly. Randomly it is collecting the data. It is not like a head method. It will go sequentially according to the order actually. But sample method, no order. Randomly it will select the data. That is a good sampling technique. What exactly, sir? Good sampling technique. 598, 362, 400. It is touching almost every data actually. A different data, sir. Different data. Good. In machine learning, I will tell you. Again, also, if you want same data, we need to apply different technique actually. See, we should get a different data. 114, 481, 85, 525. But good question. I will tell you second time also, if you want same data, we need to apply different technique. I will talk later. Where are we? Population. This point talking about the totality means always, best example, sir, India population means total data. Let me tell you, highly impossible. Best example, somebody started from Jammu Kashmir, he is collecting how many in your home actually, how many in your home, how many in your home. When he reaches to Andhra, So maybe some mothers are carrying the babies actually. They should not take the data. Am I right? When the mother is carrying, there is no name and no other code, right? The moment when he reaches to Andhra, 1 year over actually, already baby is delivered. Did you understand? That's why the total population data is highly impossible to collect actually. That's what they will always go with what exactly, no? So some data, a kind of some, they will talk about the total facts actually. Sir, do you want total India data actually? Come on, there is a one website. Website name is a India data. Data.gov.in. Yeah, India data. Here you will get a CSV file. Good. Make a note on this one. What is the first one? Crime. Data analytics actually. I'm sorry for saying India improved actually. In terms of the technology, these are all things. They are using data science. They are using, this is the live data. And do you want to know how many crimes happened actually? You are hearing here and there some crimes happen, right? You can just try to download this one. You can see actually. I'm sorry. I have read the data. I know one people, he murdered other people. One people hit and run actually. Are you sir? Many things are happen. They will give. Do you want to load this data? Click on this one. And you can just try to load actually. And yeah, sir, any idea what data they are giving? That's what I told actually. In data science project, all 99% I can give guarantee you will get CSV data. Lightweight component actually. Let's download this. I'm talking about the crime report actually. India crime report. Click on this download. Two options we need to select. One is a non-commercial. Non-commercial means I'm using this data, not for profit actually. The next one, talk with me, academic, R&D or what exactly? Academic. You no need to fill other values. Name, mobile number, you no need to fill actually. Madam, no need to fill your number actually. Now here, which code is the image? Okay, you need, what is this? Any idea? Captcha. Download. You will get the data. Yeah, data downloaded actually. Now here is the story. CSV file. What file? You know how to load actually. How to load? Pandas. Live data actually. That is the original data. Let us open. Sir, I'm sorry. Many things you can see. There are some different cases, opened or running. These are all things. Serial number 1. Crime heading. What is a crime heading? Murder actually. I'm sorry. Right. So cases pending. These are all they're talking like, oh my God, these many cases are pending actually. Cases what exactly? Reported during a year actually. Cases reported. Like this you can talk. So I'm not sure. So homicide, causing death by negligence, deaths due to negligence, hit and run. What do you mean by hit and run? During the night time, so people will, I'm sorry, there is some alcoholic, some kick actually. They will hit and they will run away. Then those are all cases actually. Those are all what exactly mean? Cases. This is the CSV data. What you can do is you can load the data, you can apply these all operation. Website name is we can do. If you are really interested, actually, you can get the live data. You can get the live data. Click on this one. I will give this one. This is the India data actually. Copy this. All right. I will continue tomorrow, sir. Okay. Who can say, sir? We done today's session. We'll continue tomorrow. Let me upload the material, please. You guys start, you can start actually. I'm having a little headache, sir. Thank you for attending today's session. You please take care. All right. Yeah, yeah. Good, good. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. Now, let me take mass material. This one. Let me load here running nodes. Online team, thank you. Thank you for joining for today's session. We done for today's session, sir. You do one thing. You give your number. I will call one to one. I will give the tentative date when you still reach. Give me your number. Yeah. Yeah.